19 bizarre home treatments that our grandparents inform us absolutely work. Do you remember those bizarre home treatments your grandmother used on you while you were a kid? Some things come up occasionally that can require an at-home cure. However, loads of them make us scratch our heads and think, this is so weird. You'd be amazed at the number of things you have got to your fridge or pantry that can assist even the most effective of factors. This consists of terrible breath, nausea, or even a spider bite. Sometimes you don't want an over-the-counter medication or to visit the doctor. If you have got any of these items for your house, you will be simply fine. Check out these 19 crazy home treatments our grandparents used that without a doubt work. 1. Potato for a spider bite. Okay, we admit it. This one sounds exceptionally weird. But according to Don't Waste the Crumbs, it absolutely works. Cut a large slice of raw potato and then use clinical tape to bind the potato to the bite. Replace the potato slice with a clean one every 12 hours. After 1 week the bite must heal. 2. Garlic for a toothache. Rubbing 1/2 a garlic clove towards an inflamed tooth for 7 to 10 minutes to reduce ache and heal the infection. 3. Orange rind for a head cold. Many nasal sprays now are available in an orange flavor. This is not only for your taste. According to Mental Floss, rolling an orange rind and sticking it in your nostrils changed into a not unusual 18th century cure for a head cold. 4. Vodka for foot scent. This one makes sense. Alcohol kills bacteria and microorganism reason scent. Therefore, alcohol must take away the scent when carried out to the foot. Prevention recommends wiping your toes with a cloth soaked in vodka. Rubbing alcohol works just as well as consuming vodka. 5. Pencil for headaches. Prevention says that this simple remedy works due to the fact that complications are often the result of the unconscious clenching of the jaw. To deal with a headache, place a pencil between the enamel and relax the jaw muscles. You will be surprised at how quickly your headache disappears. 6. Yogurt for bad breath. Does it stink in the morning breath? Eat yogurt. The healthy bacteria in yogurt can counteract the horrible bacteria that cause the smell. 7. Licorice for calluses. Licorice can soften corns. Unfortunately, licorice may not work on its own. Instead, mix the licorice ground from with 1/2 teaspoon of petroleum jelly and rub the solution into calluses and calluses. 8. Olive oil for seasickness. Prevention says that eating olives when driving a winding car or a wavy boat can prevent dizziness. This is because motion sickness normally produces additional saliva and olives include tannins that help dry the mouth and calm nausea. 9. Earache. Earaches are the worst. Squeeze the lemon juice into a Q-tip and place it in your ear. Alternatively, you can place some in your ear with a dropper. Lemon can begin to stabilize the pH levels in your ear and make them feel much better. 10. Hair loss. Nettle leaves can be extraordinary for helping with hair loss. A nettle leaf includes calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and many other important vitamins. It's critical no longer to use it too much, but it may clearly be helpful in clearly restoring any misplaced hair. 11. Menopause. Ladies, going through menopause? Yams have a plethora of nutritional value that can help you combat the discomfort menopause brings. With vitamin A and vitamin C blended together, this will assist in stability out your hormones. It allows lowering your cholesterol, too. 12. Arthritis. If you're suffering from arthritis of any kind, this may help alleviate any pain. Soak some golden raisins in a single day in a few spoonfuls of gin. Eat 8 raisins a day. As a result, this will reduce the swelling and simplicity of the pain you're experiencing. 13. Motion sickness. If you're now not an olive lover, you might want to emerge as one. Olives are excessive in tannins, which can stop the production of an excessive amount of saliva. This works in that while you sense like you're going to be sick, having too much saliva on your mouth can be enough to make you toss your cookies. 14. Indigestion. Dried apricots can assist the body process and digest food plenty better because of their dietary fiber. Say goodbye to heartburn medicine. 15. UTI. Add baking soda to a tumbler of water and drink it. This enables to relieve some of the symptoms associated with a UTI. This concoction works through making your bladder greater alkaline. This, in turn, prevents any harmful bacteria from multiplying. 16. Spider bite. Okay, this sounds loopy, however, stay with me. Wrap a raw sliced potato with a bandage or something just like the affected place for 10 to 12 minutes. This has been tossed around as an at-home remedy for a while now. 17. Sunburn. Aloe vera is rated excellent in relation to alleviating the ache from sunburn. If you're lucky sufficient to get your hands on a real aloe vera leaf, cut one and all the huge leaves off and then peel the skin. Backtrack the leaf. Take the gel out of the leaf and then apply it to your pores and skin. You will probably experience on-the-spot relief from the cool sensation of it. The next exceptional choice is to grab an aloe vera gel from any store. 18. Bad breath. Don't have any chewing gum or mints on hand, but have horrific breath? Check your refrigerator for some celery and chew this instead. It will assist you to put off awful breath fast. 19. Nausea. Fresh ginger will remove any nauseous sensation you've got. Whether it's sparkling ginger powder or ginger water, ginger is the way to go for this. Have you tried any of these loopy remedies? Let us know. Subscribe and activate the bell. I will be very appreciated. Please comment below. Have you tried any of these loopy remedies?